Hello student, you are most welcome in MPPSC Men's batch. This is the batch for Unit 5 of Paper 3 in which Science and Technology. Unit number 5 which totally deals with mathematics. You are again most welcome on online platform of GLC Top 50 IAS. If you want to enroll online batches, you can download the GLC Top 50 applications and can enroll in any online batches. Otherwise, if you want to enroll in offline batches, you may go Indore Bhawar Goa and can take admission offline. Now we will continue with the next topic. In previous lecture, we studied about number and its type, different type of numbers and their types. We had learned about them, and now the second topic we will study here, equation and factors. Now, so start here. What is algebraic equation? Algebraic equation. What is algebraic equation? We had learned in different classes, 9th, 10th, about the algebraic equation. It is the statement, or we can say that algebraic equation is statement or equality of two different expression which is added, yeah, subtracted from each other, like 4x square plus 2xy, yeah, 2x 3 is equals to 0. This type of equations are called algebraic equations. Other 2y plus 3 is equals to 3x. This type of equations are called the algebraic equation, because first term, second term and separated by plus sign. This is the other term of opposite side of equal. So both the equations are known as algebraic equation. There are different types of equation we learned in this lecture, like linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, and polynomial equation. Linear equation is just, we can say about the maximum power of this equation is 1, like 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. This type of equation is known as linear equation. Here, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means that the equation that have maximum power of 2. Maximum power of variable is 2. What is the variable? We will learn about the variable in next slide. Now, like 4x square plus 2x plus 35 is equals to 0. This is the equation with the maximum power of x is 2. Then it is called the quadratic equation. Now, cubic equation. What is cubic equation? The maximum power of variable in which equation 3 is known as cubic equation. Like here, if 4x to the power 3, 2x to the power 2, and x plus 3 is equals to 0. Here the maximum power of x is 3, then we can say this equation is cubic equation. Here now, polynomial equation, more than 3 power of x variable is known as polynomial equation, like x to the power 21 plus x to the power 18, this type equal to 0. This type of equation known as polynomial equation. We will move on the next slide. What is variable? Here I said about the variable x has a power of 2 or 3. What is the variable? Variable nothing but it is like x, y, z, whose values change according to question or according to situation is known as variables. X, y, z, a, b, c, d, etc. We can say the definition of the variable. A quantity. What? A quantity whose value keeps on changing. A quantity whose value keeps on changing, like x, y, z, etc., is known as a variable. Why? What is constant? Constant is a quantity whose value doesn't change, yeah, whose value remains unchanged. Its value always remain constant. The quantity whose value remains unchanged, like 1, the value of 1 always will be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Their value doesn't change in any situation or any condition. So we can say this is a constant and variable. variable, the quantity whose value keeps on changing. So we will move on next slide. Now there is also two different equation, one variable equation and two variable equation. What is one variable equation and two variable equation? Now we can say about that. See this equation, x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 and x square plus 2y square plus xy is equals to 0. Here two equations. First one is x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 and another one is x square plus 2xy square 2y square plus xy is equals to 0. Here only one variable x can be seen in this equation, x etc. So this is the equation with one variable. So we can call this equation as a one variable. Two variable equation means that x and y, there is two variable in this equation. Then first one is x and second one is y. So it is the equation with two variable. Clear it? Is it clear? Now we will move on next slide. Again I want to say, if you want to polish your practice, you want to polish your preparation, you want to test your preparation, you want to analysis your preparation, you can download the GLC Top 50 IAS MPPSC online application and can enroll on MPPSC men's series, men's test series or any other batches. Now solve the linear equation. What is linear equation? I had learned about the linear equation, the equation in single power and single variable. Now single variable equation, we can say the one variable equation is here. 4x minus 7 is equals to 2x plus 9. How can we solve it? So here we will separate 4x xx at one side, 4x minus 2x is equals to here this side 9. When we send 7 to another side, it change its sign, minus 2 it becomes plus 7. Now here 4x minus 2x is equals to 2x and 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. Here x is equals to 16 by here 2 is in multiply, then in this in another side it goes to the upon 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So here x is equals to 8. The value of variable x gives the value of 8. So we can say the solution of this equation, x is equals to 8. Now we move on. Question. The next question is, adding half of it to a number gives 120. There is another form of equation. We can solve the problem after create an equation of any problem like this. Now we will do according to question. Adding half of it to a number gives 120. Suppose any number x, according to question, adding half of it to a number itself, and when we add half of its number means x by 2, this number self and half of the x is x by 2. When we add both the number, it gives 120. Now we make the equation according to question. This is the equation. Now we have to solve this. Again we take LCM. It gives 2 ones are 2x plus x is equals to 120. 2x plus x is equals to 2, go there and multiply it. 120 into 2, it gives 2 and 3 is equals to 3x is equals to 240. Here x is equals to 240 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24 and 0. X gives value 80. Here the value of x is equals to 8 means that number, question asked us to find that number, so that number will be 80. If we want to check our answer, can again check our answer. The number itself 80 and half of it means 40. When we add both the numbers gives 120. This is the right, means that LHS is equals to RHS. Here our answer is right. So this is another format of problem solving with the help of linear equation. Now we will move to another equation, quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? We learn about the quadratic equation, the equation with the maximum power of 2. The equation based on a variable quantity in which the power of one term is 2. Maximum power of one term is 2, and if there is no term of power more than 2, it means that the maximum power is 2 and no more power than 2 in that equation is known as quadratic equation. It is called quadratic equation here. That is in format that, what is the format? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard format of quadratic equation where a, b and c have different values and x is a variable. Like an equation written in this form is called a quadratic equation. For example, any equation in this format we can write. At the place of a, we can write 3x square. At the place of b, we can write any value of b, like 4x plus c is a constant. We can write any value here. For example, 5, 0. This is the quadratic equation. Another example of quadratic equation is here, that x square minus 4x plus is a quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0. It is most important term. If here a is not equal to 0, if a is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation will become a linear equation. Means that x square, the coefficient of x square will 0, then the equation turn from quadratic equation to linear equation. So there should not be a is equals to 0. Now what is factor? Factor means that, for example, here, what is factor? Factor means that the any number, any equation made up of multiply them and the uh, current format will become like a, b, c, d. How can we separate a, b, c in multiple format? Like a into b into c into d, it will become a, b, c, d. It means that this is the equation or this is the number we can gain after multiply all them number. That means this is all are the factor of that a, b, c, d. Now for example, we can take 6. What is the factor? 6. It 6 becomes 6k, 6 have factor 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. All are the factor of 6. Same like 12xy. How can we find out the factors of 12xy? Here how can we write 12 to 12? We can write here 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Then 2 into 3, 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. 1 into 6 also the factor of 6. 6 1 is 6. 3 into 2 also the factor of 6. Now 12xy, we can write 12xy into different format, like 2 into 3 into 2. That means 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12 into x into y. This is the factors of 12xy. We can also write in the format 3 into 4 into x into y also gives us 12xy. All are the factor of 12xy. Similarly 3x x plus y has the factors like 3. We can write this 3 into x into x plus y. So all are the factor of that equation or that term. Now write the factor of 15 a plus b x plus y. How can we write that in expression format? Like 3 into 5 becomes 15 into a plus b. It is also its factor into x plus y. The factor of 15 a plus b x plus y is equals to 3 5 a plus b x plus y. All are the factor of this term. Now again we will solve 2ab plus 3a plus 2b 3. How can we find the factors of this expression? Now here what can we take common in this and this? Here a is common, so we will take a, and here what is the left here? Yeah, what is remain there? 2b. 2b will be the here, and what is here? A is taken out, then there is only 3. In this term what can we take? We can take plus 1. Here will be 2b plus 3. So from here and there we can take 2b plus 3 as a common. What will remain here? A plus b, a plus 1. So this is the factor of this expression, 2b plus 3 and a plus 1. I hope you can understand this concept clearly. Now question number first, find out the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6. How can we write the question here? X square plus 5x plus 6. What is this? This is the quadratic equation. Why? Because the maximum power of the equation is 2 and no more power than 2. So this equation is known as quadratic equation. What will be the factor of this expression? Now if we want to solve this equation, we can solve it in the format x square and 5x, 5x and 6 plus x square. How can we solve it? That we have to write x square and plus 6. Here 5x we can write in the format that the plus or minus, after plus or minus it becomes to 5x, and if we multiply both the number becomes 6x square, means like this and this gives product like 6 into x square, it gives 6x square. So when we multiply both the numbers it gives 6x square, and when we add or subtract that number it should be given 5x. So I will take 2x and 3x. Now we can change, after adding, if both are plus then it gives 5x, and if we multiply in 2 and 3, 2 3s are 6x and x square. So this is the appropriate number for solving our question. So we have to take 3x plus 2x. Now we have to pair them in this format. Now what is the common from them? We have to take x. X will remain here, plus x is out, there is only 3. So from here we can take common 2, here only x, and here 3. So what is the common from there? X plus 3 and x plus 3. X, when we take x plus 3 as a common, and there remain x, and from here plus 2. So x plus 3 and x plus 2 is the x plus 2 and x plus 3 is the factor, yeah, or the factor of expression x square plus 5x plus 6. Now again next question. What is the next question? In the same format, the question is x square minus 3x plus 2. What have do we do? Here x square and 2. Here in 3x we have to bifurcate in this manner that when we add both the number it gives minus 3x, and when we multiply both the number or both the expression they gives 2x square. So 2 from here and x from here, when multiply 2 into x square, that means both the numbers should give 2x square, and when we add first number plus second number, add or subtract, it should be gives minus 3x. So we have to take this type of number. If I take minus 2x and minus x, it when we add both the number minus 2x and minus x, it gives minus 3x. But when we multiply them, 2 ones are 2 minus minus plus x or x square. So this is the appropriate pair for our solution. So we will put here plus, sorry, minus 2x minus x. Now we have to pair them, x square minus 2x and minus x plus 2. We have to take common here x. What is common here? X can take as a common x will remain there, and minus 2. Here I can we can take minus 1 as a common, x will remain minus 2. Again we can take common x minus 2, x minus 2, there will remain x, and from here minus 1. So x minus 2 and x minus 1 are the factor of the expression. Again, next question is, what is this? 4x square plus 4x plus 1. We have to find the factor of this equation. You have also tried to do it. Please pause the video and try to them yourself, and if after that again play video and see the solution of that equation or that expression. What will be the solution? We have to take 4x square and plus 1. Again we have to take two numbers, like after when we multiply them, it should give 4 ones are 4x square, and when we subtract or add them, it should give plus 4x. So we have to take like 2x and 2x, it gives 2 to 4x, and when we multiply 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 4x. Or we can also take as a plus 2x plus 2x. We have to pair them, and what we can take as a common, 2x also here and here, 2x take as a common, here only 2x will remain, plus here 1 will be remain. Here we can take, we compulsorily or necessarily this should be equal to this. What is this? We can take here 1 and there will remain only 2x plus 1. So what can we take common from here? 2x plus 1, also here and here also there remain only 2x, and from here only plus 1. So this is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. These are the factors of this expression. Again, another question is x square minus 4x plus 3. This is the another expression we have to solve. Now what number we can take as a multiple as a factors of this equation, this expression? Here we have to write there x square and 3 as it is. Now the game of this number that gives a solution. Again we have to write we have to take two numbers, when we add or subtract them, they should give minus 4x, and if we multiply both the number 3 and x square, it means it should give 3x square. So we take 3x and x, minus 3x and minus x. When we add them, it gives minus 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 3x, 3 over minus 1, it will become 4x, and when we multiply both the number minus 3x and x, it gives 4x 3x square. So we can write minus 3x and minus x. Here we have to pair both the number. Now what can we take as a common? We can take as x here and also here. X will remain, minus 3 will remain from here, and here we can take minus 1 as a common. There will be x and there will minus 3. Now again we have to take common from both the places. In both the term, x minus 3 is a common. X minus 3 will be common from both the term, and x will remain from here, and x will minus 1 remain here. So the final x minus 3 and x minus 1 are the factors of the expression x minus 2 x square minus 4x plus 3. Finally, I hope this is the phenomena, this is the concept you have clear in your mind. Again, this is the homework for you. Question number first, 3x square plus 9x plus 6, and second one is x square minus 7x plus 6. Both are the equation, both are the questions for your homework. You have to try them to solve here and you have to post the answer. Thank you for watching the video, and completely you are again most welcome on the online platform of GLC Top 50. And in these men's batches, uh, the benefits of appear online batches or offline batches in GLC Top 50 is that the separate batches for Hindi medium and English medium also available. And if you want to appear online in these batches, you can download the GLC Top 50 application from Play Store and install in your mobile or laptop, and you can enroll in online batches. Otherwise, if you want to take admission offline, you may go Indore Bhavar Choir and take admission in this institution. Thanks to all of you.